They say anything in life worth having takes time. You know, they also say if you take the time to do something right, it'll take you less time than if you tried shortcutting it and you did it wrong. When I think about how many nights I've spent in the garage, how many mornings I've got up early trying to crank out work on the Datsun, endless hours of planning, reading forums, watching videos, how-to, trying to learn about the Datsun. What do you do when you have a plan for the build or an idea and it just falls apart, crashes and burns? You see, I knew under the car there was a few small areas that I was going to have to repair. Obviously I planned that there would probably be a few more than that, but my plan was to do those small repairs, grind down all the undercoating, and then get ready to be able to spray some new undercoating. But the Datsun had other plans. So I zigged when I should have zagged. I had to go from plan A to plan B. Tons of grinding, clean up, found rust in a compartment tray, so I had to backtrack. Usually what I do is, depending on how much time I have for whatever session, you know, if I got 30 minutes to go out and work in the garage, I try to pick something that I can make good progress on in that 30 minutes and not start on something that's huge. So this kind of messed my plans up a little bit, but you gotta adapt, overcome. In a build like this, you gotta stay motivated. When you get, think you got 10 problems and you get shown that you really got 30, you just gotta solve them one at a time. So yeah, here you see me grinding, and this is when I actually find more rust in one of the secret compartments. But anyways, I'll fix this section that you see here. We'll make it look like it came from the factory. The other spots in the compartment tray I can fix from underneath the car. It'll be easier. But this is what you got to do on your own projects that you're working on at the house. Solve one problem at a time. Go out in the garage, solve one thing, and that will hype you up. It'll get you excited. You get back in the groove. Don't try to solve something too big. Just one little small problem at a time. They'll compound. Anyways, enough with the motivational talk. Let's get back to the video and do some fabbing. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, smash the like button. Let's go. Somebody knocking at the door.
Somebody asked for a homemade Starbucks coffee.
Is it gonna burn me?
It might. Double espresso caramel latte.
That's not like the other ones.
Yes, it is.
I'm just kidding.
I was like, you was about to get on that camera. Wow.
All right. Love you.
Love you.
Back to work. hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Sometimes we get like 10 to 1. We get 10 comments for every one like. I think it's just because, you know, sometimes I'll catch myself. I'll watch a video, comment it, and then realize, man, I didn't even like the video. So, if you enjoyed today's video, you enjoyed the progress on the Datsun 240Z, smash the like button. Thank you to all the new subscribers. In the next video, we're gonna be tackling the rust there that I showed you. And I think I showed you some of the rust that we found up under this rear quarter. Hope you guys have a happy New Year. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. Thank you to each and every one of you subscribers. Appreciate the support. That's all I got. Dusty Mac signing out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Welcome back, Dusty Mac's Garage. We're working on my shop truck, because every shop needs a shop truck. 66 F100 short bed. We're gonna be body swapping onto a Crown Vic frame, chassis, motor, transmission, drivetrain, all that. So we need to go ahead and start getting off the front clip, the fenders, the grille. We need to take the cab off, then we need to take the bed off, get rid of this frame. That way we can roll the Crown Vic up onto the carport, and then we can start stripping it. Look at the patina on this thing. I mean, look at the body lines. Yes, sir. So you need some hot rods, some nostalgia, which we got. Check. And you need awesome suspension. So we're gonna take the best of both worlds. This plus that equals